How to transfer money using First National Banking app. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to transfer money using First National Banking app. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have successfully downloaded the First National Banking application. And also make sure you have successfully logged into your mobile banking account. And after that, you just have to tap on this send money option and click on send, or select send money and select send money to e-wallet. Then select the account you want to send the money from and enter the amount and cell phone you want to send to, and just tap on the send button and click on confirm. And before actually sending, just make sure you have selected the correct details over all the amount section as well as your sender or recipient section. So once you've verified of everything, and if you confirm everything is correct, you can click on send and click on confirm to successfully transfer money using First National Banking application. So I hope this video was, guys, informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.